Dear devotees, please accept my humble Dandavat pranams to you all. On behalf of the original trust board, Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Math Navadvip, I make this public announcement for the benefit of all our Eastern and Western devotees. Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Math is a worldwide mission, and the definition of the missionary work is always doing good for others. সকলের ভালোর জন্য, doing good for others. উৎকৃষ্ট জাগ্রত প্রাপ্য পরায়ণ নিবোধ. Our most valuable energy is being lost through misappropriation. We must give our full attention to the service of Sri Sri Guru and Gauranga, to protect newcomers and to remove varieties of speculations due to individuals' motivations and relations. We are not interested in any individual opinions. We are only interested in trying to spread the teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for everyone's benefit, and in a dignified way we are interested in complete agreement of the original trust board for the harmony and unity of the Eastern and Western devotees. Tatastha vichara, impartial consideration is always there, and between the relative and absolute, the absolute always takes the upper hand. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's principle is very simple: be humble, tolerant, and give honor to others, and practice Krishna consciousness is the line of Sri Rupa and Sanatana. So like that, we are trying to harmonize everywhere, and everyone knows it. We do not hate others. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's conception is harmony, so we must always the harmony with others. Preaching is the essence of our life, and through preaching we practice Krishna consciousness very happily. Mahaprabhu gave Harinam Sankirtan as the best policy. So we all should try to continue with Harinam Sankirtan, and remember to always be ready to give honor to all. If we can continue in this way, our Guru Varga will be very pleased. We sincerely pray that the mercy of Sri Guru and Gauranga continues to spread to every land, every home, and every heart. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Dancing, chanting, in this way our all miseries will go. And my first trying should be temple of heart, every jiva soul. And this mission will full flourishing, preaching and expansion in the world, Bhakti Sundar Govindadev Goswami Maharaj. So, through this way, we are sannyasi. It's much necessary to preach everywhere and converted pure devotion to Krishna consciousness. And Chaitanya Saraswat Math is Rupa Raghunatha line. We are very, very fortunate. This line, we are followers, and our Math's logo, Sri Chaitanya Saraswata Mathavara Gita Kirti Jasring, Vidvrat Sambhati Gangatat Nikot Nivas Koladiraje, Jatra Sri Gaura Saraswat Matanirata, Guru Gauranga Radha Jitasa. It is our conception, it is our theory, it is our Mahaprabhu's philosophy, Rup Sanatana Raghunath Das Goswami's gist is life of bhajan. Bhajare bhajare manati mando, bhajan bina goti nai re, ore amar mura mana, bhajan bina goti nai re. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo. I convey to pranam on behalf of Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Math, Jai Sri Guru Gauranga Gandharva Giridhar Govinda Sundar Ji ki jai. Jai Om Vishnupad Ananta Sri Vibhushita Paramahansa Churami Patit Pavantu Paramanadhyatam Gurudev Rupanuga Gurubacharya Jagat Guru Sila Bhakti Rakhak Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Paramahansa Parivrajagacharya Jagat Rupanuga Gurubacharya Jagat Guru Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. I am invoked to public all bad senses, all mind bad, illusory thinking, give up and join Guru Gauranga's and Vaishnava's lotus feet. Vancha kalpataru.